Hi, I'm Ben. One of the co-founders of Blue Marlin Marketing, and today I'm going to be bringing you a really cool video on some automations that you can integrate into your business today, or even integrate into like your for personal use today. Um, so the first thing that I'm going to show you how to do is just go ahead and create forms in Tally. So using Tally, it's there is a paid version, but you can use it for free for basically forever. I've never had to pay for it before, and um, I have a bunch of forms built in there. But all I'm going to go ahead and do for you real quick is just first show building a new form. So we'll just go new form. It's pretty easy. You can use a template or whatever. And do you want to give it a title? I'll just call it like test form for now. And then we'll just go from scratch. So this is where it's pretty easy. Like I found like the sweet spot for like contact forms, that kind of thing, is somewhere like 6 questions. They can be longer depending on like what kind of information you're trying to get, but they all should basically include like um, your like name, uh, email, phone number, phone number. And then I'm just going to use that for now on here, but you could also add like more like a short answer question and type like your own type of question in there. And then one other cool thing you can do on here is insert a thank you page. Well, it's now this will pop up like after someone submitted the form. So we'll just go like, we'll say thank you for filling, filling out the form. Cool. And then we'll just publish. So all I did there was just create a pretty simple thing and then a pretty simple form, and then we'll just copy the link. So now I'm going to show you is now that you've got a form, and you could pretend like this is a contact form or like anything really, any other kind of form that you're using, like for free bookings, someone trying to sign up to get like a template or something like that. But anyway, what I'm going to show you is now that you actually have a form created and you have the link, we can actually go into make.com, which if you don't have an account, you'll just go Google like or type in the search bar make.com and then just make an account. Um, you can use a free account for a very long time. I'm pretty sure you get like 1,000 free operations or something like that, which is a lot. Um, and then if you upgrade to like the $10 version, you get 10,000. So depending on how many things you really want to run. But what I'm going to do for you is first create a new scenario. And we're going to take our tally and then just watch a new response. Will it create a webhook? We'll name it like test and form ID. You'll simply just click. Once you're linked, you'll just add, it'll just go to your tally account. You'll just allow it to access. You'll hit test form or whatever form you want to use. Save. Okay. Okay. So now that you have your tally form, so this is just when someone submits the form, this is watching that. And you can obviously like run it like once we've built it out. You can run this just once if you know that there's a new one, or you can permanently like leave it on by just tapping this, and it will just permanently watch that. Um, so the next thing that we're actually gonna do is make it so that this responds with like in a personalized email to the or like an email telling the respondent to the form like thank you, we got your submission, that kind of thing. It's um good operating procedure, good like client acquisition onboarding stuff. And then this is just like the number of seconds, so you don't want it to be like inhuman response rate, if that makes sense. Like you don't want someone submitting a form and them getting like an email like that. So if you just put in like a time like 73 seconds, or I'll make it a little smaller for this video, like 42 seconds, like it's more like likely that a person would be doing that rather than like an automation, and that just helps like protect your email from being like flagged as like spammy or that kind of thing. But if you've warmed up your email properly, and please let me know if you want me to make a video on that. I'm still waiting to hear back from some things, but let me know if you want to see a video about warming up emails for like cold email. but also if it's already like someone that you verified, like because they're filling in a tally form, you'll already know that like that's actually their contact information and everything, so it's verified. Um, so you won't actually um like have to go run it through like the email and stuff through another verifier. Like you already can confirm that this is a good address if they were able to submit it. But anyway, the next step is, and this is where it's kind of like I've had some issues. So if you go Gmail, which not everybody has, a Gmail, you may have like Outlook or whatever, but I've had some problems with like if you're using Gmail with the formatting. So what I've been doing is just going email and using the built in like the make.com one, and all you'll do is hit add, and then it will just like prompt you to like have access to it or whatever. And then this is real easy. So the email address that you're sending it to will actually be just on your form. If this is like all collapsed, it'll just be in fields and then the email address, email. So that will take whatever they put in for there. That's the recipient. And then the subject line, we've been making like you could also have implement like a chat GPT block before like in here as well to like have it auto generate a subject line, but you could just be like um uh, thanks, and then you could even put their name. Thanks for filling out the FORM, for filling out the form, something like that. And then this actually is going to take whatever they put in that name field. So you could have created two like fields on your other thing where it's like first name, last name if you wanted to, but all that's going to do is, and then remember that's just in fields and then there. Um, and then if you just want like to send like an actual message, right? You're just gonna go plain text. And then let me just go check real quick on my other responder, make sure I have formatting all right in there. Yeah, oh, thank you for reaching out, same scenario. But plain text, and then I'm just gonna copy this and I'll show you guys this on the other page. Um, paste. Just make sure to keep it like that. And then say, here's like the context of the thing. So it's going to be like, hey, their first name, or well, the name they filled in. Hope you're having a great day. I just want to thank you for reaching out. This is just the first step to achieving your business goals. Another member of our team will reach out shortly to schedule a call or answer your questions. Best regards, or bench also. And you just like put N with, and it knows that to not, it won't like include that in there, if that makes sense. But yeah, and then you can also attach something. um, so if you had like a file or something you could do, but for now it's just a pretty simple thing. So if we just go turn it on for, oh, gotta save it first, sorry. And if we were just to like go run for 1 second, well, I guess you'll see that this actually probably won't run because there's no responses in there, if that makes sense. So what we can actually go do is go back to our tally. We'll copy this link just to show you. We'll go Control V. We'll visit that link. Name. I'll say Ben. Email. We'll call it Ben at Blue Marlin MARKETI marketing dot com. I actually will do this other email. Blue Marlin phone number. I'll just put in, yeah, I can put in my own, but we need United States, UN. Oh, not going to make it easy, I see. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K. United States of America. There we go. And then we'll just hit submit, right? So now it's going to, here's like that thank you page. Thank you for filling out. And you could obviously have imagery or something on this page from your tally form. But what's actually really cool about what we just did is now if I hit run once, right? Unpressed data, wait for new data. So hopefully now that it's actually watching the update that I had just entered, taking its time, I guess. Normally these are pretty quick. If you have it like already running and these submits come through, it's a little bit better, but this is probably waiting the 45 seconds or whatever I put there, and then we'll see it process. I'll show you in a second. Do 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 do. Here, I'll just do it like this. Maybe that process old data. Run. Use existing data. Oh, there we go. So now it's going to wait. This is doing like 45 seconds. Sorry about all that. I just sometimes it's a little like you got to figure out if for some reason is it looking at the last response, is it waiting for another one, like that kind of thing. Um, you know, little things. And then this is obviously going to go. I think I put like 42 seconds or something like that. So sorry. Oh, let me just get a sip of some coffee real quick. But yeah, once this is done, we're actually going to go look in our email inbox, that like the email address I put into that form, and we'll actually be able to see it. And also what you can do really cool with this is I'll show you another, okay, so see, sent, boom. So now let's go to our email. Let me go, oh, we can actually just open a mail, maybe, inbox. It may have gone to the spam, oh no. Inbox. I believe this is the email I used. You have a new recommendation. I'll wait for that for now. I don't know. Me. Oh, perfect. So it's because I had run it twice, I think, or something like that when I did it. But hey, Ben Fussell, I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to let you know, thank you for reaching out. Blah blah blah. But yeah, this is the email they get. Oh, I guess it did put that in there. That's my bad. I'll edit that out. But yeah, so this is basically like the response they get. So if you do like the end with, I guess I should have. That would be like if you had ChatGPT like writing this, instead of like doing a thing, and that'd be real easy to do to have ChatGPT ChatGPT built in. You'll just like create like a unlink here and then add that module. Um, and then all you'll have to do is go like add, and there's like an API token, which you can just type in like ChatGPT. I think it's like / API dash keys or API keys, something along those lines. And in order to actually run automations with that in here, you'll have to buy some tokens. They're like super cheap. But that's like I guess another video for another day. But cool thing is I'm actually going to not save this, or I guess I already did save it. I have a similar one already built. But what I'm actually going to do is now show you, if you go new and we go tally, we do the same watch a response, create a webhook. Boom, we'll do the same test form, whatever, save. Okay. I'm not going to run this one just because I don't want to mess up my CRM, but you can put in like, there's a bunch of different ones, like go high level is what I use. Let me see, CRM. Yeah, so like HubSpot, there's a whole bunch of them. And then there's also some ways to like in Make to actually import like custom blocks, like even if they don't have a pre-built one, but they have so many pre-built ones. Like, and within each one of these things, there's like a few options. Some of them are more than tally. Like if we go to Google Sheets, for example, there's a ton. But okay, but anyway, I was gonna show you go high level. Really cool thing. You just go, this is super simple. You'll just add, you'll pick whatever one you want to use. And then basically from your tally form, you'll just be able to go add the email, add the phone number, add, the first name. And depending on how many categories you have, like there's all these things you can fill in. Like you can put in like a tag if you're using Go High Level, you're familiar with tags. And at a later point, I could also like do some inside Go High Level tutorials. So if you want to see anything like that or more Go High Level related stuff, I'm got a lot of good information about that. So if you want to see anything or any information or any videos related to that kind of thing, please like, comment, message me personally. Let me know if you want to see anything like that. But yeah, so now all this is doing is same sort of deal as last time. It's just watching this basically this tally form, and all it's going to do is once that form's filled out, it's going to go add all that data to your go high level. Like you don't actually have to do anything. You'll just leave this on, you can leave this on forever. I believe in Make, you can only have two things like running at the same time if you're on the free version. But if you're on like the $10 version, which is like the I guess like the second tier, I don't think there's anything cheaper. There's either free or $10, and you get like I'm pretty sure you can run 10 at a time or something like that. So if you have like a bunch of smaller automations built like this, you can have them all running simultaneously. So if you have like 15 different forms for 10 different things that you're working on, you could have them all creating you a contact, or all of them can have an automated email responder, which is really cool. And I'm just going to go discard changes since I've already got this built. But as you can see, like you could do the same thing for like a free consultation or that kind of thing. Um, but yeah, so there's a lot of cool things you can do in Make. And with that, like there's a ton of ways you can change like those very simple automations. So let me know if you guys want to see like similar things, like similar automations, like like smaller but uh more like minute, like understandable type things. Like you just want to see, oh, how do I get my form to my contact list, or how do I get a form to responder, rather than like a whole automated workflow. Let me know if you guys like that better, or if you like seeing like full automated workflows and you want a walkthrough. And if there's anything that you guys want automated or not have like heard about getting automated, that kind of thing, feel free to reach out to us. The link to our website will be below. I'll also link like a contact form or anything. So feel free to fill out any of that stuff. If you need, um, if you want anything in your business automated, or um, if you just want to learn more directly from us, yeah, please feel free to reach out. And yeah, I guess that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much again. And I guess don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That really, really helps us out so much. And thank you. Yeah, have a great day.